What's up guys, and you are looking at the live hands-on look of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. On a freaking train somewhere in Korea is looking at memes on an actual Galaxy S10 Plus. That someone is suspected to be a Samsung employee according to Ice Universe, and he's rocking the Galaxy S10 Plus with a protective case. Also, we have some interesting news regarding the state of in-display fingerprint scanner and some more official information regarding the Galaxy F foldable phone. But let's take a look at the S10 Plus hands-on leak. As expected, the dual camera is on the front. It's a pill-shaped infinity hole. Looks pretty bezel-less overall. It still isn't the best look because it's in a protective case. But still, from that, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. But the hole is definitely noticeable. It's something to get used to after some time. But do tell me what you guys think about this S10 Plus live leak. Now, speaking of Galaxy S10 Plus, the 5G variant of the S10 Plus could actually be named as Galaxy S10X. According to a new report, the 5G variant will be a mega monster. If you look at its crazy spec sheet, like 5000 mAh battery, a 6.7-inch OLED display, 4 cameras on the back, 2 on the front, 12 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. I mean, it's not just 5G, the phone itself is on a whole new different level. So if you're in US and Korea, you are in good luck because the 5G is available there and the Galaxy S10X will come officially in those markets. But even as a phone, I would honestly love to have my hands on it. It's definitely the most powerful, possibly the most powerful phone on the planet. The Galaxy S10X will reportedly be released on March 29 for $1,600. And for the other models, the S10, S10 Plus, and S10 Lite, they're set to be released on March 8th. And as for the pricing, the S10 family will range from $800 with the S10 Lite model all the way up to $1,300 if you go with the maxed out S10 Plus with 512 gigs of memory. Now, the in-display fingerprint scanner will be on every Galaxy S10 model except the S10 Lite. It's definitely a step towards the future, but a new tweet from this case maker called as Armadillo Tech says that they have tested their case on the real Galaxy S10 phone. The in-screen fingerprint scanner does not support screen protectors. So pretty much what they're saying is that the Galaxy S10 does not support screen protector, and obviously it's just one case maker results. We have to wait to see if that really is the case. I mean, the Galaxy S10 family will be rocking the latest generation of Qualcomm's ultrasonic fingerprint scanners, so it's supposed to be working through water, dust, and screen protector as well. So I definitely think that it will eventually work with the screen protector on. We just gotta wait for more results. Now, Samsung is going all in when it comes to AI for the S10 family. It's going to have a new mode called as live pattern mode. It's like machine learning of your phone, and as you use it, it learns about you, adapt to your usage, and possibly become even faster over time. So live pattern mode is coming with the Galaxy S10 family thanks to the advancement in AI. Now, regarding the Galaxy F, it's also officially coming at February 20th event. This information comes from a couple of Samsung billboards that were seen in Paris. It's in Korean, but it actually translated into future unfolds, and the second letter says February 20th. This translation was according to the Samsung press release. So Galaxy F is finally coming officially along with the S10 family. So it really is all happening in one night. The history will be made at February 20th. Galaxy S10 models, S10X, the first ever 5G Samsung flagship, and then the much awaited Galaxy F foldable phone.